This morning started with photo shoot. We took these several photos because it was rainy and big fog. We didn't expect that rain, but yeah, fog was awesome. Yeah, we will see the results, but actually because of the big fog and rain and old lens, the image isn't very clear, but yeah, we did what we can do best. We will see what would happen after some edit. And we almost ready to leave, and actually the sun comes up, the clouds going away, and I will take the drone up. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, we meet the Burra camper. And I saw the store, so I thought it would be nice to if they have the drinking water, and guess what? They have this station. So because our drinking water tank, fresh water tank is empty, so we refill. Going about in 50 minutes or so. All path is about an hour and a half, so it's a little bit left for us. All terrain is like rocks and dirt and tree roots, so it's not the best of it, but yeah, it's enjoyable. I think the cloud got down, or maybe just we are in the cloud. The first cave. Get out from the caves and came here on top it to just get a snack or something and a drink. So I didn't film a lot because it's very dark and wet inside it. So, and right now we're just getting back at the van. We just got down from the hike and my shoulders a little bit hurts, but yeah, it's okay. So we need just change up and rest a bit and move from here, because today we want to reach the ferry and move forward actually. location, but we stopped at the church because it was very beautiful and have dragons on the edge of the roof, so I want to take a picture. And actually, after several minutes we hear a lot of cars coming from the ferry side, so we run away to the van and drive as fast as we can, and we managed to get in. So yeah, and right now we're going to next side where the road continues, because here's no bridge, no tunnel, so there is the way. Found some blueberries. Yeah, it's very tasty. Just back from the hike, and the hike was for a shoot, a nice place, because I was pointed one place where I can take beautiful photos, but we didn't find it, but accidentally we found another one and we take some shots actually. And yeah, and right now it's pretty dark, it was pretty hard to land, and we're going to search for a place for a night, so yeah. We arrived at this parking lot. Actually, it's very beautiful. Yeah, wait a second, I will light myself. This parking lot wasn't so far away from our hiking spot, so we just took away several minutes, and right now it's 10:10 at the evening, or night I believe you say. And yeah, for today's day is over. We will go for a rest and take a good sleep, and tomorrow we will continue our journey in Norway. See ya!